Welcome back to the class. I am your professor S.B. Nagaraj, trainer of spoken English, English grammar and personality development for the last 30 years. Also, I have written more than 14 books to learn English language. The books are available in all the leading bookstalls of India as well as even in Amazon Kindle. Friends, today let us see fear of mistakes in spoken English. Friends, you have that phobia of committing mistakes in spoken English. See, many of you say that, sir, if I try to speak in English, I can commit mistakes. Therefore, I don't try to speak in English. But, friends, you tell me, in your mother tongue, in your life, you have not committed any mistakes? Just to think over. In your life, you committed so many mistakes even in your mother tongue. See, you are using around 50% of English words in your mother tongue. You are using another around 25% of other language words in your mother tongue. And remaining 25% also you are talking in your mother tongue with less grammar knowledge. Friends, you tell me, you are using so many other language words in your mother tongue and talking in your mother tongue. Is it a big mistake or not? Yeah, you are committing more than 75% of mistakes in your mother tongue. Then, who killed you? See, you are so happy with your mother tongue and you are communicating in your mother tongue and you are saying that it is very easy to study in our mother tongue. See, now you understood that we are committing so many mistakes in our mother tongue also. Then if you commit here and there one or two mistakes. What is the wrong? See, you have got the opportunity to correct your mistakes. The time will teach you the language. In future, you will correct your mistakes. You don't worry about the mistakes. See, the logic is very simple. See, in any language, if you want to talk in that language, the most important thing is you must try. You must try. You must put your sincere efforts. And you forget about the mistakes first. See, Swami Vivekananda told that nothing is impossible if I am possible. Nothing is impossible if I am possible. See, impossible says I am possible. Impossible says I am possible. It should be spontaneous. You must think in English whole day. See, you may say that I have no friends to talk in English. No one is to talk with me in English. See, if you have no friends to talk in English, if anyone is not speaking with you in English, no problem at all. Whole day you are thinking so many things, Think in English. And whenever the opportunity comes to talk in English, you try to speak in English only. And you don't use your mother tongue. You try to use English language only. Okay. Where there is a will, there is a way. Where there is a will, there is a way. See, first of all, you must have that capacity. Then only you can learn spoken English. And to improve your English, you develop your vocabulary. And for spoken English, if you know grammar, well and good. If you don't know grammar, then also you can talk in English, but take care. Try to speak correctly. Even after taking care, if you commit one or two mistakes, nobody will kill you. You go on speaking in English and you try to develop your vocabulary day by day. And if you want to learn English grammar for the support of spoken English, and if you want to face any competitive exam, you can purchase My English Grammar. This grammar book is very simple, and I have given each and every topic in detail in English as well as in Kannada. And this book will help you to improve your English grammar, and this book will help you to face any competitive exam. and you can purchase this book in any one of the leading bookstalls of Karnataka, and this book is available in all the 22 branches of Sapna Book House, Bangalore, and the cost of this book at present is only rupees 120. Only rupees 120. Therefore, this book will help you to improve your English grammar, which will help you to speak correctly and to write correctly, and you can face any competitive exam. Okay friends, I hope you will do all these things. Friends, if you like this video, you like it, you share it, and if you have any suggestion, you can suggest through comment. And if you are not subscribed our channel, you subscribe now only, and I shall come back with another beautiful video. God bless you, friends.